If you've been even a little active on the internet lately, then I'm 100% sure you've heard the name Seedance 2. And not just heard it, you've probably seen those insane cinematic videos going viral across every social media platform. Yes, that's Seedance 2, the latest video generation model by ByteDance that is literally taking over the internet right now. People are creating mind-blowing content with it, and honestly, it feels like the future of video creation is already here. But here's the thing, as powerful as Seedance 2 is, just a few days ago, it was almost impossible to access. And now, finally, ByteDance has opened the doors. Anyone can use it. Sounds perfect, right? Not really. Because there's one big problem. Seedance 2 is very expensive. Every single generation eats up a huge amount of credits, and if you go for higher quality or longer videos, the cost shoots up even more. So, yeah, amazing tool, but not exactly budget friendly. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the cheapest way to access Seedance 2 so you can start creating high-quality videos without burning your wallet. And that's not all. I'll also show you how you can get unlimited generations for 7 days. So if you're serious about creating viral AI videos, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Now, the tool I'm talking about is Higgsfield AI. Yes, they've recently integrated Seedance 2, the official model by ByteDance, and you can use it right now to create some absolutely insane content. And here's something really important. It supports real faces. So you don't have to worry about those weird artificial looking generations. Your videos actually look real, cinematic, and high quality. But here's where things get really interesting. This is hands down one of the cheapest platforms to access Seedance 2. Let me show you why. If you look at the pricing comparison, the difference is honestly shocking. First, where if you're on the Ultra plan, you get unlimited generations for a certain period of time. And second, the cost per generation is insanely low. We're talking about just 34 cents per generation. Now compare that to other platforms charging $1.50, like even $2.50 per generation. That's not just expensive, that's crazy. So if you're serious about creating AI videos without burning your wallet, this is a no-brainer. And I'm not just saying this, I personally use Higgsfield AI a lot. If you've been following my channel, you already know how many videos and high-quality content I've created using it. Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Once you're in, you'll land on this interface. Now, as you can see, they're currently running some offers where you can get 7 days of unlimited access of Seedance 2 if you go for the Ultra plan. Definitely worth checking out if you're serious about creating content. All right, now let's actually create something. So what you want to do is click on this Seedance 2 option right here, and it'll take you to the main generation interface. Now here's where the magic happens. As you can see, these are some of the generations I've already created. From here, you can upload your assets. You can upload up to 9 images, 3 videos, and even audio files, which is honestly insane. And the best part, it actually works really well. You also get these built-in presets, which I personally use to create some of the clips you saw at the beginning of this video, and they're seriously powerful. So first, let's start by generating some videos using these presets. So first, let's pick a preset. As you can see, there are tons of presets available here, and the best part is they keep adding more presets and the styles regularly, which makes this even more powerful over time. All right, let's choose one. I'm going with this one. It looks absolutely amazing. Now, the next step is to upload your character image. You can literally upload any character image you want, which gives you a lot of creative freedom. But here's something really important, and honestly, one of my favorite features. Once you upload an image, you'll see an option called check eligibility. Now, as powerful as Seedance 2 is, it can still be a bit restrictive sometimes. So instead of wasting your time, and more importantly, your credits, you can simply click on check eligibility to make sure your image will actually work. And the best part, whenever you upload a new image, it automatically checks this for you. As you can see here, all of these are marked as eligible, which means we're good to go, no issues at all. So for the face, I use this image right here, which is me. After that, all you need to do is select your aspect ratio, and that's it. No complicated settings, no need to write long prompts, no confusion, super simple. And just like that, this is the result it generated. This is absolutely stunning, right? I mean, it genuinely amazes me how well Seedance 2 works. It literally understands everything. Here's a quick glimpse of what I created.
Fake. I will show the world. I am real, not a generated result by Seedance 2. Stop it! What are you doing? Are you out of your mind? You're a YouTuber. This is not you. It's all in your head. It's all fake. Wake up. What are you talking about? It's all in your head, kid. None of this is real. No, I am a warrior. I was born to fight. You know what? He was right. I am a YouTuber.
Pretty awesome, right? Now, if you want to learn exactly how I made that video, go check out my previous video. I've linked it in the description. So yeah, if you want top quality Seedance 2 results without spending a fortune, then Higgsfield AI is the platform you should be using. Don't overthink it. Go try it out right now. Link is in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.